Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Bookkeeper Fazan, and in this short video lesson I'm going to teach you net present value. What is net present value? Net present value is one of the evaluating technique or in order to calculate the capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is very important to make the investment decision whether we reject or accept it. So in today's lesson we are going to calculate the net present value, right? So we have taken two projects, project A and project B, and now I have to accept project one of the projects or reject both, right? It or accept both, right? It depends. So project A, initially I invested, that's why it's called outflow. I invested $25,000, and year one I get this, year two I, right, year 7 I get this. And in project B I invested the same amount, $25,000. In year 1 I got this, in year 7 I got this. Okay, so I need to calculate the net present value. How to calculate the net present value? There is a function in Excel which is net present value. What you need to do, you have to take the rate. First of all, the rate is 15%. Then you have to take the, how to just drag it from here, you have to take the inflows, and then you have to close the bracket, and then plus the outflow. So this is the formula here, right, ladies and gentlemen. Let me yeah did something wrong. Net present value, I take the rate 15%, yeah, 15%, and then I take the value 1 till this, and then I close the bracket, and then what I did is 25,000, which is a negative. So I have to reject this. When our net present value is less than 0, so we have to reject the project. When I apply the same formula, you don't need to apply the formula, just copy and paste it, project 2. But the problem is that the both are negatives, so we have to reject the both, because both are less than 0. Both net present value, both projects net present value is less than 0, so we have to reject. But the problem here, that the discount rate, again, one more thing I'd like to tell you here, that there is an inverse relationship between net present value and discount rate. If your discount rate is increasing, your net present value is decreasing. Understand? If your discount rate is decreasing, your net present value is increasing. Here, if we see, if I put the discount rate 2%, our project A net present value is this. If I put but project B is less than 0. In any case, from discount rate from 2 till 17, our project B, any case, we have to reject project B. Okay, but if I put from 2% till 9%, we can from 2% till 8%, we can accept our project A.